What's up?
Steady, both hands. Zoom in a little bit.
Pretty cool that I can do that. That actually works.
Good. Not too zoom.
How long does it
You
take
stop pointing at my stuff. You got it loaded. You're asking for it. Terrible, man.
Whoa! Did you hear that?
Please don't shoot.
Oh my God! The ship! The Japanese singing.
See that?
Yeah, the Japanese singing.
Thank you.
Going over your face.
Uh-oh.
Huh? Leaning over. Go to help driving. Huh? Yeah. Go to help driving. Smoking.
It's leaning.
It's leaning over. Oh wait, no, it's fine. Okay, there we go.
Here's a close-up view of the ship.
Seems to me it's taking on water, isn't it? Yeah, looks like it.
And it's aerodynamic. Oh yeah. The ship is aerodynamic. And look at this. We're in the ocean and trying out. I think we're in Lake Huron trying out the ship.
It's not Lake Huron.
Just playing around. Oh yeah. I see the ship's gonna die. Yup, it is. It's smoking. That ship is smoking. It's smoking.
Yeah, too zoomed in.
The ship is awesome. No batteries included.
Unleash the ally.
Batteries
It's like
included.
a fog machine.
It has to
No, this thing is smoke coming out. You're kidding.
and it can smoke. Yo, it can smoke. It's a Japanese ship part of World War II. Alright, that ship's going faster than me. The ship can smoke a lot fast. Ship, come back. Here's a close view of the lake. Far view of the lake. The ship. The ship's right here with every other person on the planet. And even me. Hi. There it is. Ship. Random ship. This is a legendary World War II ship. Barrels are loaded. They're so separate.
I mean, that time. Because if you talk about that time in Second World War, let me see, a cruiser was...
What's the scale?
Maximum speed is something like
144? Okay. In real
Scale
life, this was
is 144.
30 feet.
up to 30
It's
knots.
144. In real life, it's 150 feet. Whoa, my shoes are wet. Check out my Star Wars Crocs. But now we're on the ship. Ooh, it's actually pretty
Are
chilly.
your feet wet?
No,
Just a little bit.
now the ship is gonna be the new Titanic. It's as the waves. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Feet up. Nope, it's all my duty. This is the best shit ever. Alright, and now that baby's wet. I told the baby stranger it's wet now. This boat has taken 2 years to build to have an exact model. It actually has solo people. And now let's go even closer to find out what it has. So go closer. I gave my feet wet.
for this. Just random twig floating, but still we can see the ship. Let's zoom in even closer. Sorry, you can't zoom in. Yes, we can't zoom in. What's that? How is so dark? It's a ship. There's smoke. Smoke.
I like that.
Try to. You'll never do it. And now, the creator of the ship, my uncle. It's my uncle. His name is Dexter the Mary.
Do you like that one, Luke?
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, video done.